This video explains how to buy shares of AVITA Medical Inc., a company developing regenerative skin repair devices. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RCEL, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy RCEL, you will need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you normally must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place trades. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker RCEL to find AVITA Medical Inc. on the platform. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the RCEL ticker. Open the AVITA Medical stock page to review the company summary and the recent price chart. Confirm the profile and ticker to ensure this is the correct RCEL listing. Tap the trade or buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order fills, you will see the AVITA position in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description of this video.